Hi children, good morning. In the last video, I gave you the assignment. Have you written the answers of those are all bit summa? Okay. Now, in this video, I will give you the answers of those questions and bits. Check your answers carefully, correct yourself. After that, wrongs you write 5 times in our running notes. Okay. Now, I gave the first keywords to you. First one is keywords. Environment. What is the meaning of environment? Our surroundings are called our environment. The surroundings in which one lives form the environment. Next, abiotic, related to non-living things. All the non-living things are called abiotic. Biotic means living things. Biosphere. What is the meaning of biosphere? Is the narrow strip at the joining place of lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere, full of plants, animals, is called the biosphere. Upon the biosphere means bio, humans. We all live in this sphere, biosphere. It is the junction of lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. Okay, that is biosphere. Barter system. It is the system in which the trade takes place by exchange of goods without use of money. In the olden days, they did not know about the money and they don't have money at those times. At the time, what did they do? They are exchanging their goods one to another. Suppose you have pencil, your friend have pen. You want that pen, you give your pencil to him and you will take the pen to you. That is the barter system, exchange of goods without the use of money. Next one, question and answers. What are the major components of the environment? Major components of environment are three types. First one, natural environment, human made environment and human environment. Natural environment means nature creates these are all things, that is called natural environment. Humans prepare some things on the earth, those are all called human made environment. Human environment, ours also the most important environment. Okay, so what are the examples of natural environment? Are land, water, air, living things. These are all examples for the natural environment. Human made environment, buildings, parks, roads, these are the examples of human made environment because these are all made by the humans. Human environment is different from these two. It is a social environment. I explained clearly in while I was teaching the lesson. If you have a doubt, you will open that video and see. Political situation and education. These two are the examples of the human environment. Next, name two components of natural environment, land and water. These two are created by the nature. That's why these two are the examples of natural environment. Next, what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is nothing but it is an interaction between all living organisms. Okay, that's point I explained clearly to you. It is the system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. That is called the ecosystem. With this, I completed the question and answers also. Now come to the blanks. Dash is a natural ecosystem. Land. Land is the example of natural environment. Here ecosystem is not suitable here, Nana. Here environment. Instead of this word, you write here environment. Hydrosphere is a part of biosphere. Already I explained you what is the biosphere. Hydrosphere is a part of biosphere. Next, dash is the hard top layer of the earth. What is the hard top most layer of the earth? Lithosphere. Lithosphere is stone area, rocky area on this earth is called, that is the hard top layer. That's why it is called as hard top layer. The answer of this bit is lithosphere. The World Environmental Day is celebrated on June 5th. 5th of June, the World Environmental Day is celebrated. Dash is a human-made environment. Road, buildings, parks, whatever you write in that blank, that is correct answer. Because which are made by the human, those are all examples of the human-made environment. Next, come to the second lesson. What are the three layers of the earth? Earth has three layers. What are those three? Crust, mantle and core. These are the three layers of the earth. What is a rock? Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth crust is called rock. That is the definition of rock. What are the uses of rocks? Rocks are useful to us in many ways. We are playing at homes, fire rocks, that is jetty, and some of the games you should play in your daily life using rocks. Rocks are very useful for us. Here I gave very few examples to you. You add some more examples to that. Rocks are rocks are used for making roads, houses and buildings. Next, we cannot go to the center of the earth. Why? Yes, we cannot go to the center of the earth. The reason is the temperature decreases. If you go inside the earth, the temperature increases. That's why no one could not stay for a long time inside the earth. Suppose in your house, some workers are digging the well. You unknowingly go inside of that well. Observe that how is the temperature. It is too higher than our surface of the earth, because here I gave two reasons. That is because the center part of the earth has very high temperature and pressure. Because of this reason we cannot go to the center of the earth. Next, blanks. Dash rocks is made up of molten magma. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks, primary rocks. The remains of dead plants and animals trapped in the layers of rocks are called fossils. These are all called fossils. And in yours, Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are also prepared by the fossils. The Latin word ignis means fire. Ignis means fire. Metamorphic is a word taken by the Greek word metamorphose. It is a Greek language word. Taken by metamorphic is a word taken by Greek language. The crust forms only 1% of volume of the earth. The crust forms only 1% of the earth volume. That is the answer of that bit. Next, the radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometers. The radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometers. The red fort is made up of sandstone. The red fort is made up of red sandstone. And the Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. White marble. Okay. Next, the deepest mine located in the world is South Africa. South Africa country has the deepest mine in the world. The thinnest layer of the earth is the crust. Crust, mantle, core. Among these three, the crust is the thinnest layer of the earth. Limestone is changed into marble. Limestone is changed into marble. So, marble is the correct answer of that bit. Children, in this video, I gave the answers to you. You check what you have written in your running notes. all are correct or not, you check yourself. Wrong bits you write 5 times, and the next video I will teach the next lesson to you. Bye.